Hello everyone. I just wanted to create a little video to explain to you how to add or interact in the seesaw journal that we have created. So I just uploaded the first activity, which we talked about in the first meeting we had. So here is the title of it, the body explaining what we require you guys to do, and then some things to consider when uploading. Now the idea is that if you want to, or when you are ready to interact or to add any replies, what you guys gotta do is just click here in the add button, and it's going to show up 6 different options. You are going to choose one. I would suggest this one, add a file, and what you can do, you can use another software, online software like Canva or Poster-like, and what you can do is you can add different screenshots of artifacts or pictures or exams, and so you create a sort of like a collage, and then you just add the file. Or if you want to do picture by picture, then well, you have to do it one by one, clicking here and here once again. And once you do this, it is going to allow you to caption the document that you have uploaded. So what you would want to do is just add some information for us to know why or what this is about, and for later discuss in the oral session. Then a little tick is going to show up here asking for your approval. You're going to click it and then just share with the class or reply to the activity. After this, if you want to do or you want to add anything else or not related to the activity, well, you just can click here and it's going to show you the same different options, and you can add comments or notes or drawings or anything, maybe a picture that involves all the participants, or a link that you think it's interesting for us to know. And here is as well another way to do it, clicking here. That is pretty much everything I wanted to let you know, guys, and thanks for participating again. And let's see what you got. Let's see your memories. Bye bye.